Hi everyone, and welcome to my cozy home studio tour. I'm so sorry, I'm sick and I lost my voice, so my voice is gonna be extra cozy today too. But this area is my sanctuary. It's my creative space where I film. I'm gonna show you the decor and the organization. A lot of today's decor is actually incredibly affordable, including the organization and my cute sweater and shoes. They're all from today's sponsor, Walmart. You guys, the style has been so on point this year, and if you need some last minute gifts, I'm talking up until Christmas Eve, Walmart is your one-stop destination for everyone on your list. And with the express delivery option, you can literally order until the very last minute. If you need some ideas, some of my personal favorites are their holiday sweaters. I've got these two from No Boundaries. This black and rhinestone bow one that I'm wearing is so cute. I would even wear this on New Year's Eve. And then the red one is super Christmas with the rhinestones throughout. Both of these have those really cute cutouts and are under $20. Then for something more upscale and elevated, there's the Welt Pocket Cardigan. It has so many different color options. It looks good unbuttoned or closed up like a singular sweater like this. And then this tweed jacket is amazing. This looks so good for the office. The tweed feels very holiday and winter and very old money. And then for home gift ideas under $20, I have this gold trinket tray. It's like this organic ginkgo leaf. It's so gorgeous on top of any tabletop. This set of marble candle holders, one side you can do a tea light and the other you can do a long skinny tapered candle. I also like to use it to hold some jewelry. And lastly, these amazing picture frames that are simple, modern, clean to house your favorite family pictures. Okay, so this room is essentially right off the kitchen. It's just like a clean space to film. First thing to tackle was storage. That was hidden and was a nice calming backdrop for filming. I didn't want to spend too much money on this home, especially after my divorce. And instead of buying like a typical like thousands of dollars big credenza like I did in my other house, I decided to go with simple, like affordable cabinetry. And then I ended up buying 3 units and just put them side by side. Aesthetically, I think it looks so good. I'm like, why didn't I do that in the other home? You give the same great look. It takes up a nice chunk of this entire space. And I kind of like that there's 3 separate cabinets because I've got different categories of items that I could stow away. And then for the decor on top, I like to switch things out seasonally. So right now I went with this beautiful eucalyptus vase. I'll put the prices down below, but I have some artwork here. This one is like one of my favorite pieces. I got this as a trio set in an art shop in Portugal. I just love the black and white photography and just the indifference of this woman. I just love it. Then here I have this beautiful candlestick set. It's got one side that you can put tea lights, or the other side you can put a tapered long candle. These are so weighted and gorgeous, very aesthetic marble. Then here in this middle area, I actually keep this open because I do a lot of filming right here, and I want to just have some empty space behind my body and head so you can see the clothes. It's not too distracting and you don't see a glare. So that's why I decorated this entire space to kind of flow inward. But for something here, I have this nice low matte bowl with the little side handles. And then I love these wooden chain links. I think these were under $10. It looks so designer high-end and nice and rustic. And then over here on this side, I have my 100,000 YouTube play button. I got this many years ago, and I just love that I have the OG shadow box version. I'm so proud of this, and I'm so grateful for all of you to help me get this. Then over here, I have this amazing lamp, also from Walmart. I thought this one looked so chic. The linen pleated lampshade, the like straw hat look, along with the speckle ribbed base. I'm freaking obsessed with this thing. It looks like a Japanese mushroom. This is actually a salt dish, but I put my rings in here. So again, just some extra jewelry organization because I'm always just throwing on some last minute jewelry details to film here. And that's pretty much it. I like to go with tonal, very simple neutral pieces. I kind of don't care anymore about being basic. All right, so let's move on into the interior of these cabinets. Behind cabinet number 1, this is my tech and travel gear. I've got all of my like equipment, stuff that's related to filming since I film in this room up here on the top shelf. And then down here is my travel essentials, because I not only film a lot of travel stuff in this area, but I'm also gathering things when I actually pack for trips too. So here I have 4 plastic pull-out drawers. I've got one for external hard drives and cords. I've got one for lenses, tripod, light extensions, one for external battery and bricks, and one for like miscellaneous Apple items. Here I have some quick access to some portable tripods, my DJI camera. I love the Osmo Pocket 3, by the way, it's so good. So that one's right here. And then I've just got 2 carrying cases, one for my Sony that I'm filming on right now, and then another tech case from one of my favorite companies, Trip Travel Gear. Then here on the bottom, I have 2 storage bins. One of them is pouches that I use to organize like my entire travel essentials and my personal item. The bin next to that has all of my essentials, beauty, medicine, like all the bits and bobs that I need, along with like samples that I need to try and use and I don't want to forget. So it's great because I can pick up my pouches, refill all my essentials. And then this last one here is a quick catch-all. So this is like my quart size bag that I always have in my personal item. This is like my travel buffet bar where I can pick the pouch, fill it with the stuff, throw it in my bag, and I'm on the go. So that does it for cabinet number 1. It's not really like aesthetic and symmetrical, but it's practical and functional for my needs, so I'm really happy about that. Then cabinet number 2 is more aesthetic. These are my main mini bags that are on current rotation right now. It's just organized by color. I've got a row of black bags, dark brown espresso bags, lighter tan bags to ivory, and then on the bottom here, I'm a little obsessed. I found these amazing flex bins at Walmart that are tapered for easy access and full visibility. I have like my larger medium-sized bags here. And then those same mesh long container bins that you saw in the first cabinet, I've got all my belts here, beautifully organized from dark to light. I used to have these like in a bin and I could never see which belts I had, and I was underutilizing so much. And I just love opening this cabinet. It makes me feel like so excited to style and add the finishing touches to my outfit. And then the final cabinet is gonna be clothes. Now, I'm about to start a massive purge in my closet, but in terms of like the things that just came in, the active things that I'm trying to style and use, I just have this cabinet full of quick access items for filming and in-seasonal use that I'm trying out. Then for seating and chilling, you guys have seen this, I'm usually chilling in this chair to film, but I also like to work here, read, and I've got 2 walnut side tables. I love that they're 2 different sizes. I can move them around the room. They're very flexible and contrast nicely to the light oak color in the cabinetry. And the best part is I'm literally right next to my son. Like, he actually likes to come over and bring his toys over and play and sit with me. And because this chair is not big enough for the 2 of us, I have an amazing new addition to this room. This cream puff of a chair is from the Drew Barrymore collection at Walmart. This is the beautiful chair in the kids size. The adult size is like viral on Book Talk, but essentially this looks like a designer chair that I had in my other house, but this one is miniature size for a kid. The quality is phenomenal and it swivels. I cannot wait for Clark to see this. He's gonna be so surprised. I just love having his own spaces anywhere in the house, and even if he wants to relax with me in my space, he gets to have his own comfy spot. So I absolutely love this. It matches so well with everything in the room, and it makes him feel like he's, you know, a part of my space at any time. So I love this. All right, guys, so that does it for my home studio tour. Again, everything mentioned will be down below in the description box. If you guys like these home decor organization videos, can you please let me know down below in the comments? And of course, if you're OG, you know what to leave down below. Apologies again for the crazy voice today. I'm kind of recovering and replenishing myself to gear up for all the good things in the new year. So I'm wishing you the same health and rest. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.